Dreaming is free, but if we want, we can make it to be reality.
The Aprilia Srv4 is a super bike manufactured by Aprilia. The Srv4 is Aprilia's flagship model. Aprilia offers two models of the bike, the Srv4 Factory and Srv4 Limited Edition, only 350. For 2016 it is offered in two models, the Srv4R and Srv4RF. The 2016 updated bike was made to take advantage of and comply with that year's Superbike rules, which allow fewer modifications for production bikes. It has more power, is lighter, and has improved handling and electronics. Manufacturer, Aprilia. Parent company, Piaggio. Production, 2009. Present. Predecessor, Aprilia Srv10OR. Class, sport bike. Engine, 999.6 cc 61 Ku and 65 degree V4. 1099 cc 67 Ku in 2021. Bore, stroke, 78.0 mm times 52.3 mm 3.07 in times 2.06 in. 81.0 mm times 53.32 mm 3.189 in times 2.099 in. Top speed, 177.7 miles per hour, 286.0 kilometers per hour. Power, 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, claimed to at 13,000 revolutions per minute. 152.7 horsepower, 113.9 kilowatts rear wheel. Torque, 85 pounds-foot, 115.2 Nm, claimed to at 10,500 revolutions per minute. 73 pounds, FT99 Nm rear wheel. Transmission, 6-speed. Wet clutch. Brakes. Front, dual 320 mm diameter floating discs. Brembo monoblock radial for piston calipers. Rear, 220 mm diameter disc, Brembo to piston calipers. Tires. Front, 120 Spesification CR17. Rear, 255th CR17. Wheelbase, 55.9 in 1000 for 120 mm. Seat height, 845 mm 33.3 in. Weight, 180 kilograms 397 pounds dry, 208 kilograms for 158 pounds wet. Fuel capacity, 18.5 L 4.1 imp gal, 4.9 US gal. Aprilia claims that the new engine was designed specifically for superbike racing and that the engine will produce over 200 horsepower, 150 kilowatts in race configuration. Aprilia launched the bike to race in the 2009 Superbike World Championship season.